Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Subaru Wrx 2018 like this stereo out. Okay, first of all you need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic tool like this, something's a bit sturdy with a head like that, preferably if you've got something like that, one end like that. And then you need a 10mm socket, but then again you need the extension. This is only for the two screws at the top, but on the side of it you need a long extension here, okay, so as you can get to the 10mm all the way inside there. But first thing first, first of all you need this tool here. Just go around here on the side of it. It's a bit tight, but it can be done. It's not hard to it. You don't try not to damage anything. Just pry it up along here, there, and on that side as well. Okay. Then this piece should come out. Okay. When it's come out, just try to show you earlier. There's two plugs. Just in the back here, there's two plugs there. You can see there. Those are the two plugs. I just unplug it from here. Okay, so that's out of the way. Then the next step is this. There's two 10mm bolts in here and something like that. Okay, so I took it out through earlier, two 10mm along there. Okay, and next we have to drop the glove box down on this side first and clip that, and then you will see the drop the glove box out completely. Then you go and look through that little hole there. You will see a 10mm bolt on that side, and then on the driver's side, which is the other side, and I will show you how to do that as well. Okay, so basically this is what's involved. Okay, the next step is this piece here. Just using this flat piece again, just go around here, and this piece, just clip this piece out, just like that. This is on the driver's side, and then this piece will come out. Okay, just only this clip here, just clipping everything together, that's all. Okay, after that you remove the screw here. There's one screw here. This screw right there. One Phillips screw. Okay. After that, this piece here, just a plastic here that come out, that's all. Gradually, you're just using two hands and just try to go along here, and this piece should come out like that. Okay. Then move along under the steering wheel here. And then there's one Phillips screwdriver here. You have to remove this one here. I just loosened a little bit earlier. And then basically this piece will come out. Okay, just try to pull gently. This piece here you don't need to touch it because this is the airbag part anyway. So this piece can come out here. I will remove that piece. Yeah. Okay. Okay, after that, this piece should come out. Just pull straight out like that. And you just got this cable behind there. Yep, you can unclip that if you want to. And from then on, you should be able to access under there and get to the bolt on this side. Okay, and I will show you where it is. Now, the next stage is this. We need to remove two of these 10mm bolts. This top one here on this side, and then this one here on this side. This is to drop this piece of airbags down. Okay, so we can access to the side of it. So that 10 mil and this top 10 mil. Okay, now after you drop the airbags down, now you can see there, this bolt here sit all the way right here. See that one there? There's one on this side and one's on the other side. So that's a 12 bolt, okay? We need to remove that one there. While I'm at it, I'll take this bolt out. You have to be careful. Try not to drop it. As soon as you got it out, try to use it, like for me, for example, I try to demagnetize the actual tip and putting the piece of sticker tape there, so it's hold a little more tighter when you take it out. So try not to drop it in there. It's a bit hard to find afterward if you happen to drop it inside there. Okay, just be careful with it. Okay, after you drop the glove box down on the passenger side here, then you go deep inside here, you will see there's a bolt also in there as well, okay, on this side here. That you can see right there. Okay, we need to remove that one out as well. And then after that, we will try to take the unit out completely. Like I said again, this bolt here you have to be careful too. Don't drop it take it out and then try not to drop it inside. Then it'll be hard to find for you later.